Hey, good afternoon everyone. Brian Melford here from Team YoyoCommunity. Got a fresh package. Got my Spectrum so people know I still love YYC. But this right here is the latest yo-yo from one of my favorite manufacturers slash yo-yo companies slash everything. I'm out here fighting a box. All I do is beat it up. Up the box. I'm gonna cut it. This thing is brolic, goodness gracious. Oh yes, we're almost there. This thing's tough. Oh smash, goodness, they got like 10 layers of tape. Yes. Woo. Yo. Good looking up Tony for all the stickers. I never had so many Yo-Yo community stickers ever. So I'm gonna be giving out stickers all day at my community engagement event. Everybody come to community engagement if you live in the Bronx. We're gonna be providing a number of city services to oh my goodness, my God. Yo, I don't even know which one to open right now. They both fire. Y'all wasn't ready. Yo, this is hot right here. Look at the box. I don't even know what's holding it together. It's just hot though. It's hot. Yo, y'all not ready. Yo. This is it right here. Yo-Yo community. Good looking out. I'm not even done though. Jeez. It's like historic right here. My first titanium yo-yo right here. This is amazing. Alright, I gotta do Mel hops. First trick. Right here. Make sure my bow tie straight. Aaron, I'm straight? My bow tie straight?